Understanding Rational Expressions, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that often confuses learners: rational expressions. Don't worry if that sounds complex. We're going to break it down together, step by step. Our goal is to make it as simple and understandable as possible, so you'll feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations and writings. A rational expression is a term borrowed from mathematics, specifically algebra. It refers to a fraction where both the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number, are polynomials. However, when we talk about rational expressions outside of math, we're often referring to statements or opinions that are based on reason or logic, rather than emotions or unfounded beliefs. Let's look at some examples to clarify how this phrase can be used in everyday English. Her argument was a rational expression of her concerns. This means her argument was logical and based on clear reasoning. We need to find a rational expression for this problem. Here, it suggests looking for a solution grounded in logic and reason. By using this phrase, you signal that the discussion is meant to be thoughtful and reasoned, not influenced by strong emotions or irrational thoughts. Incorporating rational expression into your language can elevate your English speaking and writing. Here are a few tips. 1. Use it to emphasize logic. When discussing solutions or opinions, prefacing your statement with a rational expression underscores that you're being logical. 2. Encourage rational debate. In discussions, ask for rational expressions of opinions to promote a thoughtful exchange of ideas. 3. Highlight reasoning in arguments. When presenting your viewpoint, describe it as a rational expression to highlight the logical basis of your argument. And that's a wrap on rational expressions. We hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use this phrase effectively in your English language journey. Remember, incorporating terms like rational expression into your vocabulary can not only enhance your language skills but also improve your ability to engage in logical and meaningful discussions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.